Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I will show you question number 182 on part 68 of this channel. Be a member of the channel to get aptitude test questions with their solutions on different types of aptitude test questions. Now we'll go to the question directly, and later I will discuss about the need of this YouTube channel for students and graduates. Now let me directly go to the question. Okay, question number 182. It says that the monthly salary of 4 men and 2 women is $46,000. If a woman earns $500 more than a man, what is the monthly salary of a woman? A $6,500, B $7,500, B $8,000, D $9,000. Now you are given the information as such on the question, and depend on the information you are required to find out the monthly salary of a woman. What is the information? The information says that there are 4 men and 2 women, and the total income of 4 men and 2 women is $46,000. And a woman earns $500 more than that of a man. And based on this information, you are required to find out the monthly salary of a woman. Okay, I hope you get the correct answer for this question. Try to answer the question by your own, and later just try to compare the way or the steps that you get the answer for this question with the one that I provided for you. Okay, the solution to get the answer for this question is given as follows. First, there are 4 men and 2 women, and the total income of 4 men and 2 women is $46,000. And let's represent the salary of men by M and the salary of the woman by W. And for M plus 2W is equal to $46,000. Again, there is a second information which says that a woman earns $500 more than that of a man. That means woman's salary, that means W is equal to the male salary M plus $500. So here is the way we formulate this equation into this question into mathematical equation as such. There is woman's salary W and male salary M, and woman's salary is equal to M plus $500. Again, there is another information which says that for M plus 2W is equal to $46,000. So we have the first equation, W is equal to M plus 500. And again, we have the second equation which says that for M plus 2W is equal to $46,000. Now, let us substitute the value of W of the first equation into the second one. We have W is equal to M plus 500, and let's represent or insert this value here. So we get for M plus 2 times by M in parentheses 2 times by m plus 500 in a parenthesis, which is equal to 46,000. Now let us distribute to the other elements in a parenthesis, and for m plus 1000 is equal to 46,000. Now get this value, and again let's group or let's collect like terms together. So for m plus 2m is equal to 6m, and let us bring 1000 to the other side, and it becomes 46,000 minus 1000, which is equal to 45,000. So our next equation will be 6m is equal to 45,000. Now let us again divide the whole by 6, and we get the value of m. M is equal to 7,500. Now we get the value of the salary of a man, and a man earns $7,500. But what we get from the information on the question is that the salary of the woman is m plus 500. That means the salary of a man plus $500. That means a woman earns $500 more than a man. So the woman's salary will become 7,500 plus 500, which is equal to $8,000. So your correct answer for this question is choice C, $8,000. Okay. On this channel, that means Big Academy, you'll get aptitude test questions that will benefit you a lot. And if you are a student, and again, if you are a graduate who is searching for a job, be a member of this channel, because on this channel, I will present you on a weekly basis selected aptitude test questions that may help you in your future career. So subscribe to this channel, be a member of this channel, and learn the different types of aptitude test questions and the way to solve those aptitude test questions. And if you are able to calculate out these aptitude test questions, will be successful in any type of examination, either vacancy examination or educational examinations. So be a member of this channel, and again share the channel to your friends and families who are students, and again who are graduates who are searching for a job.